So to do that, it's about how many carbohydrates? So it's about 4 calories per gram for carbohydrate, 4 calories per gram for protein, 9 calories per gram for fat, and I think it's 4 grams or 4 calories per gram for fiber. Yeah. So what I'm doing is just, you can see that. Yeah. And then divided by 9. Cool. I think I'll just leave the fiber. Nah, it's too low. Sorry. Yeah. So I'll update all the others as well as I go along too. So that way it's easy for you to understand. Divided by 4. Divided by 9. It's 9 calories. Yo, easy. Which one? The 90. Oh, the 840. Yeah, that's wrong. Sorry. No, because I did it divided by 4, so it should be. Actually, no. That one's wrong. So it's 0.4. No, 30% carb, 40%. Yeah, it should be done by 3. So 0.3 times 90% divided by 4. Yep. Is that better? Oh, actually, it should be by 9 because it's fats. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Oh, no, throughout the day. Yeah, so that's your total of grams. You know what I mean? So, yep, boom. Boom. That one's already done. And then I just have to deal with this one too. Yeah, so does that because the whole point of it is to make it easier and more efficient for you. So you don't need to do those the online calorie counters or whatever it is. You know what I mean? It's just made to be as efficient and easy for as possible, so that you're not confused. You can do what you're focused on, what you're supposed to be doing. Focus on what you're supposed to be doing as well, rather than wondering, oh, what do I do, kind of thing too. Yeah, it's just too much work. For you, it should be just more making it easy as possible. So basically, what we're trying to do is reduce any excuse. Not saying oh, I can't do this, I couldn't do that, or it's just making it smooth as. Yeah. And then once you get into MyFitnessPal, just add me or send me your username. Yeah, send me your username, and then I can enter in your food diary and stuff as well. So that's that. See how the numbers have all changed now? I think that's pretty much. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. So that's what the deficit is as well. So see the green ones all the way here as well, divided by 4.